Hi ladies, for the first combo of today's workout, we're going to pop into a sumo squat and your arms are going to slowly come to both sides of your head. Your legs get there first, your arms take a while to get there. It's 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you're going to raise your heels and bring your arms out. 7, back to your head, heels down. 8, then pop up, feet together, and slowly your arms come back down for 8 counts. Now for all of these slow arms, you want them to be super intentional and give strength. So you want to squeeze your arm muscles and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Ready? Let's go over the counts one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, intention, 6, 7, 8. Let's try it with music. We're going to do it 5 times.
They say the holy water's watered down, and this town's lost its faith. Our colors will fade eventually, so if our time's running out, day after day, we'll make them Monday our masterpiece. Oh my love, I take a look at you, you're taking me out of the ordinary. Aren't you laying down to the dead bed? On the edge of the knife, staying drunk on the ride. The angels up in the clouds, I'm jealous of the
Great, now for our second combo, you're gonna lead with these little heels digs into the ground, 4 on this side, 4 on the other side, and we're gonna roll both our rib cage and our hips to make the movement look bigger. Start with your arms down, lead with the heel, arms by your chest, arms up overhead, then you're gonna throw back, release your neck. Don't try to just look up at the ceiling. You're gonna really get that release if you throw everything back and then come down into this squat with your hands and fists. So those counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, throw 7, squat 8. Then you're gonna do the other side. Left heel leads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, throw 7, 8. All right, all together with the counts, and then we'll hit the music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try some music.
staying drunk on the ride. The angels up in the clouds, I'm jealous of the place out there, hallelujah. Big side of heaven's gate. All my life I'll do ya. Breathing, take my breath away. And you want to away. All my life taking me out of the ordinary.
Yay! Now for combo 3. As you can tell, they get a little bit more progressive in the movements. So this time we're going to step out to our roll. We're gonna roll our rib cage, our hips, and our head at the same time. And we're gonna step out this, then this arm is gonna kind of hide your face with your elbow. This knee pops in, then you're gonna go back that way. The other side, same thing. Now you're going to hit a runner's lunge, and this arm is gonna swing around. You're not gonna fully release your head here. Then you're gonna come back into that same squat position, but now your hands are on your quads, other side, runner's lunge, release that arm, and same position. So those counts are, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it a little faster all together with the counts, then we'll hit some music. Ready? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's hit music. The pattern is 5, 4, 5, 4. So we're doing this one 5 times. Yay, now we're at our 4th and final combo. Again, a little bit more progressive, so bigger movements. We're going to lead with somewhat of a side leg raise, but a kick. Once it hits up to hip height, that triggers your arm to come up and around. You're gonna look at it. Then you're gonna do the other side. Trigger your arm to come up and around. You're gonna continue this circle. Have that big breath moment. Circle all the way back down to the ground. Then you're going to pop up. There's more, but let's go over that part real quick. So we start with this kick to the side and reach over. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pop up, 7, 8. Then you trigger this arm. We're gonna get into a bit of a squat, but this heel is going to raise. As this arm comes up, you're gonna lead with the shoulder and you're gonna look at it, and then your elbow comes in. Then you're gonna switch sides, lead with that shoulder, elbow comes in. So those counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all together, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do that one more time before we hit the music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Our last combo, we're gonna hit this one 4 times. Ready? got all the combos. Now we're gonna put them all together to finish out the whole song, and that'll be it. Remember, it is 5-4-5-4, but you can listen for the beats to let you know when it's time to switch combos. Here we go.
There's something holy waters watered down, and this town's lost its faith. Our colors will fade, eventually safe. Our time is running out. Day after day, we make them Monday, a masterpiece. Oh my love. Now take a look at you, you're taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down to the dead bed, on the edge of the night, staying drunk on the ride. The angels up in the clouds, I'm jealous of what we found. So the ordinary, you got me kissing the ground for the sanctuary. Trying to be with you down, oh Lord, turn me to dust. The angels up in the clouds, I'm jealous of what we found. Hopeless, hallelujah. Hope inside of heaven's gate. All my life I'll do ya. Breathing, take my breath away. I'm drawn to your flame, oh my, taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down to the dead bed, on the edge of the night, the same drunk on the ride. The angels up in the clouds, I'm jealous of what we found. So ordinary, you got me kissing the ground for the sanctuary. Trying to be with you down, oh Lord, turn me to dust. The angels up in the clouds, I'm jealous of what we found. So it's so heavenly, are you next to me? See, baby, you're next to me. Oh my, always in black and white, until the sun light, until you have to die to fight. So it's you out of the ordinary. How you lay me down to the dead bed, on the edge of the night, staying drunk on the ride. The angels up in the clouds, I'm jealous of what we found. So of the ordinary, you got me kissing the ground for the sanctuary. Trying to be with you down, oh Lord, turn me to dust. The angels up in the clouds, I'm jealous of what we found.
Thank you so much for dancing with me. I hope you feel less stressed, more connected to your body, like you've had a nice little release. See you next time.